So we about to link up with Zach himself.
All the way, bro.
Facts. Get these footages and shit.
Wrap this shit up.
Yeah, look camera for me. See myself real quick. Facts. Just flexing. On Wall Street. Drip. You see the drip. You see how we looking. So anyways, what we're about to do is we hiring some tabs. What we did? How many strips? We did 2 strips and shit.
We took the double dose.
2 strips. Higher on life and shit. That ass. Look at the scenery. Like, look at where we at. Took a trip. Took a strip and took a trip. Facts, yo. That's the next song coming out. Anyways, though, back to school about to come up. About to link up with Zach, get these footages. Y'all niggas stay tuned. Interact and talk. It's like a vlog. Where you guys coming from? Atlanta all the way to New York? Okay. Get the scenes. School brings you guys out here? Oh, college. What's your major?
Arts and Entertainment Management.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Neuroscience. Oh, so you the genius of the group. we got the genius right there. Yeah. So this is just a vlog we're doing. Like, we're just out here about to link up with our videographer and get like some footage. So I'm just getting like background scenes and stuff like that. But now walk this way. Not her. Just walk this way. You open up her. Just walk. How you play it?
Yellow diamond, kiss it on me, this ain't County, fresh up off the kitchen, baby. I put the beams up, riding coupe in Mercedes. Hell sick in your city, pull up in her city. Freaky, yeah, that be my nigga, know you riding with me.
We had 3 edits, bro.
That be my slime.
This is the best one.
I'm fucking your bitch, I hit like 2 times, like 3 times.
We all use the same amount of scenes, footage.
I picked the picture like Picasso.
Look where we at. Look where we at. Boom.
Zach made it.
This is Zach Move. Yo, what's your introduction?
Zach.MOV. You already know.
Boom. Yes. Make it happen. She's like. Catch me in here.
Rapper money. Red diamond.
This that Don Carter, he got big, rapper money. Yo, Don, get up in here. This that Don Carter, he got big, rapper money.
Red, yellow diamonds.
That's a blessing. That's a blessing.
Somebody trying to do 2 things at the
history
same time.
tonight.
Can't.
Everyone in here is going to be famous. Me, Lebonaski, him, Don Carter, and yours truly right here. Boom. Zach. Let's go.
All I do is come up, all I ever did was came up.
We got the Lebonaski mobile.
All I did was came up, all I do was come up, all I ever did was came up. All I did was came up. Catch a fucking nigga on the run.
Yeah, that's full. I think that's the new edition of crack.
Don't give a fuck. I don't fuck with no fuck.
hip hop platform or a music platform.
Like what kind of platform?
So like basically, you know how I used to work for the Team Backpack shit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a new one. That was just underground rap. It's gonna be all music.
Like new, like up and coming artists and stuff
More
like that.
Because that was kind of like underground rap.
Yeah.
And honestly, it has some kind of like complaining rap kind of type shit. Like, oh yeah, like I don't got nothing to do. Like, all these bitches is so mean to me type of shit. Like on numb vibes, and I'm not with that at all.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to like get it more mainstream, if that, like, for lack of a better.
Yeah. A different crowd too, right?
Different crowd, more different kinds of music.
Shit. No, you good. You good, bro. This is Hollywood. Fuck that.
All I do is come up. All I ever did was came up. All I did was came up. All I do is come up. All I ever did was came up. All I did was came up.
Goes on the beat. It's time.
Yeah, it is that too. Cause like I'm in a bad. You already know I'm in a bad spot too. Like we're all just like money, bro.
It won't be a problem.
Literally,
I
money.
swear it won't be a
And
problem.
like the way I'm trying to set up this platform is to where I'm gonna be able to get like partnerships with like Sprite and like.
Sorry.
Sorry, you're good.
I feel like my Gucci's are in there.
Where it's like, I basically get the legends.